A competitor research helps you to understand where you stay in market, what others are doing, how much they are selling their art for, how do they connect with their customers, what are their niche, what their website look like, what can you do better, and what can you do more differently. This is why actually we are doing competitor research. We are not doing it to copy them. On the contrary, we are trying to distinguish ourselves from them. And we are trying to find different ways to do it. This is why we need to go to artists' websites or social medias who are in the position that we want to be in. Let's say a well-known, world-famous artist, and go to their website, go to their social media, try to see what they are doing right. It's not just about their art, by the way. It's about how they use their social media, how they use their words, basically how they communicate with the world. Then while you're looking at their website or social media, I want you to ask yourself, what can you do differently? What can you do better? And what makes them different? And what makes them stand out? It is always an advantage to have something different from what is already in market. I know it's very saturated and it's very difficult right now to find something has not been done yet, but I believe in you. I think you can do it. And I have an example for you. Cirque du Soleil, they have a wonderful acrobatic show. I love watching them. But how they originated is actually based on a very successful competitor research. Let me explain. So when the investigators went around and checked different circus shows, they realized most of the things are more or less the same. For example, they all have animals. Some have acrobats or acrobatic moves or shows. All of them has pretty shitty music. People sell popcorn in the aisles. The production is not very expensive, so the tickets are very cheap, and the venue is pretty cheap as well. So when the results came in, Cirque du Soleil founders thought about what they can do differently. There are animals, let's take out animals. So there's not many acrobats, so let's increase the amount of acrobats in the shows. Let's not sell popcorns in the aisle. Let's change this shitty music into a very high quality music. The venues where Cirque du Soleil perform are pretty high quality ones. So today's task is to do a competitor research. What you can do differently and where do you see yourself in the market? Are your prices in the market range or very high? It doesn't matter, because when it comes to art, pricing is a little bit tricky. But I just want you to think about yourself, what you can improve with your art or your art business, what you can do better from those people. And after that, I will see you tomorrow here in the new video of our challenge.